Welcome to Talk in English. Nice having you here again. Let's start. Once upon a time, there was a poor woodcutter. Every day, he went to the forest to cut wood. One day, while cutting wood near a river, his axe slipped and fell into the deep water. He became very sad. "What will I do now?" he cried. Suddenly, a beautiful angel appeared. She asked, "Why are you crying?" The woodcutter told her everything. The angel dived into the river and brought out a golden axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. The woodcutter said, "No, this is not mine." Then she brought a silver axe. "Is this your axe?" Again he said, "No, this is not mine." Finally, she brought his old iron axe. "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter smiled and said, "Yes, this one is mine." The angel was very happy with his honesty. She gave him all three axes, the golden, the silver, and his own. Moral of the story: honesty is always rewarded. Thank you for watching.